Hi friends, today I want to discuss about performance issues. As I discussed about data mining issues and challenges in my previous video, so this video is continue to about that video. Now, performance issues. In performance issues, again we divide into two issues. So that is efficiency and scalability of data mining algorithms. Second one is parallel distributed and incremental mining algorithms. Now, efficiency and scalability of data mining algorithms. To effectively extract information from a huge amount of data in databases, data mining algorithms must be efficient and scalable. So, for example, if you want to retrieve one specific record in database, so obviously expected record or expected result must be retrieved. So I can say by using some algorithms, that is data mining algorithms must be efficient and scalable for retrieving the data. So this is also one of the issues in data mining. Second one is parallel, distributed and incremental mining algorithms. The huge size of many databases. So obviously database means just like large amount of data is stored, right? So the huge size of many databases, the wide distribution of data and complexity of some data mining methods are factors motivating the development of partial and distributed data mining algorithms. Such algorithms divide the data into partitions which are proceed to in parallel. So means suppose one database maintains some large amount of data, right? So in that cases, there are n number of users can be connected to that particular databases. So if you want to retrieve one record from that databases, we can get that record without any disturbance. So at the same time, so n number of users can connect, n number of users connects to the database for one record. It take lot of problem. So lot of time complexity, right? So in that cases, what we have to do is so data should be partitioned. So by using, so there are a number of techniques to partition the data. So simple traditional is decomposition. So in that cases also for retrieving the data in a particular database, some data mining methods are factors motivating the development of partial and distributed data mining algorithms. For distributing the data by using some algorithms, also one of the major issues in data mining. If it is a less amount of data, we cannot get any problem. If it is large amount of data, so obviously we need to partition the data. This is one challenge in data mining. Now, third one, issues relating to the diversity of database types. Now, issues relating to the diversity of database types also divided into two issues. First one is handling of relational and complex types of data. Second one is mining information from heterogeneous databases and global information systems. Now see, handling of relational and complex types of data. So here I want to discuss one point about relational. Suppose database consists of n number of database tables. So for each and every table must depends on another table. So I can call it as so relational. So relation between more than one table. So in that cases, handling of relational and complex type of data. There are many kinds of data stored in databases and data warehouses. It is not possible for one system to mine all these kinds of data. Some table, so for example, so some tables, so inserts image data types, image data, and some tables insert videos, audio files, so on. So if it is a single table with some type of data. So we can retrieve the data by using database queries. So in case it is not possible for one system to mine all these kinds of data, some user may expect different types of data, like graphical representation he may expect. Some another user may expect only so video related data. So in that cases, so possibility of one system to mine all these kinds of data is one of the challenges in data mining. So different data mining systems should be constructed for different kinds of data. See, if you are going to insert some text data, that must be specified in specific table. So if you want to insert specific video files, in that cases you have to maintain some specific table. So like that, this is also one of the issues in data mining, that is handling of relational and complex type of data. Say in case text is one table, video files are in another table. So in that cases, if you want to retrieve one text record and another video record by using more than one table, in that cases also it is very difficult task. So that's the reason data mining is faces or issue in relational and complex type of data. Next one is mining information from heterogeneous databases and global information systems. So now heterogeneous databases, so there are different types of databases. Like, since data is fetched from different data sources, there are different data sources are available. So we can get the data from simple databases, we can get the data from World Wide Web, so we can get the data from data warehouses, so we can get the data in the form of flat files also. So sometimes local area network and wide area networks also come to the picture. So mining information from heterogeneous databases and global information systems so faces one issue about this LAN, MAN, and fetched from different types of sources. So we can get the data from local or wide area networks by using WW. So there are a number of data sources, right? Flat files, we can maintain the data. In flat files, we can maintain the data. So we can maintain the data from databases. So we can maintain the data in direct WWW, that is World Wide Web. We can maintain the data in data warehouse also. This discovery of knowledge from different sources of structured is a great challenges to the data mining. So thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.